Let's face it, folks. That bottle of bright green lemon-scented dish soap might seem harmless, but it's harboring some dirty little secrets. We're talking about harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and ingredients with tongue-twisting names that can wreak havoc on our environment and health. Phosphates, for example, are notorious for polluting our waterways, leading to harmful algal blooms that suffocate marine life. And those artificial colors and fragrances, they might smell lemony fresh, but they can irritate our skin and trigger allergies. It's time to ditch the chemical cocktails and embrace a cleaner, greener way to tackle those dirty dishes. Trust me, your hands, your health, and our planet will thank you. Now, before you picture yourself stirring a cauldron of lye and ashes, let me assure you, making your own dish soap is easier than you think. We're talking simple, natural ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry, transformed into a powerful, planet-friendly cleaning solution. The best part? You control exactly what goes into your dish soap, ensuring it's free of harsh chemicals and synthetic additives. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to know you're reducing your environmental impact one sudsy sinkful at a time. Ready to roll up your sleeves and unleash your inner chemist? Let's dive into the ingredients that will revolutionize your dishwashing routine. Forget the complicated chemical formulas. We're going back to basics with just a handful of natural powerhouses. These ingredients are not only effective but also safe for you and the environment. Let's dive into what makes each of these components so special and how they contribute to a powerful, eco-friendly clean. Each ingredient in our DIY dish soap recipe plays a crucial role, working together to deliver sparkling clean dishes and a clear conscience. By using these natural ingredients, you can avoid the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products, making your home a healthier place. Castile soap. This gentle, plant-based soap, traditionally made with olive oil, forms the foundation of our recipe. It's versatile and can be used for a variety of cleaning tasks around the home. It cuts through grease and grime without stripping away your skin's natural oils. This means you can wash dishes without worrying about dry, irritated hands. Washing soda. Don't confuse this with baking soda. Washing soda is a powerful cleaning agent that enhances the effectiveness of our dish soap. Washing soda is a natural water softener and degreaser, boosting the cleaning power of our soap. It helps to break down stubborn stains and makes it easier to rinse away food particles. White vinegar. This kitchen staple acts as a natural rinse aid, cutting through soap residue and leaving your dishes sparkling clean. It's also great for removing hard water spots and mineral deposits. Plus, its antibacterial properties help keep your sink fresh. White vinegar is a versatile cleaner that can be used in many areas of your home, not just the kitchen. Vegetable glycerin. Want those thick, luxurious suds? Vegetable glycerin is the answer. It adds thickness and stability to our dish soap, ensuring it lathers beautifully. This ingredient also helps to moisturize your hands while you wash, making the dishwashing experience more pleasant. Essential oils, optional. A few drops of your favorite essential oils like lemon, lavender, or tea tree add a refreshing scent and natural antibacterial properties. These oils not only make your dish soap smell amazing but also provide additional cleaning power. From pantry to powerhouse, a step-by-step guide to DIY dish soap. Making your own dish soap is not only eco-friendly but also cost-effective and surprisingly simple. Let's dive into the process and see how you can create a powerful cleaning solution right from your pantry. Alright, let's get down to business. Roll up those sleeves and get ready to embark on this fun and rewarding DIY project. Here's how to transform those simple ingredients into a dishwashing superhero. First, gather your gear. Having everything ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. You'll need a measuring cup, measuring spoons, a whisk, a funnel, and a clean container to store your dish soap. A repurposed glass bottle or a squeeze bottle works perfectly. Next, combine the dry ingredients. This is where the magic begins. In a mixing bowl, whisk together half a cup of washing soda and half a cup of borax. These two ingredients are the backbone of your dish soap. These two ingredients work together to boost the cleaning power and help cut through grease and grime. You'll be amazed at how effective this combination is. Then, add the liquid gold. Castile soap is a versatile and gentle cleaner. Slowly pour in 1 cup of liquid Castile soap, whisking constantly to avoid clumps. This ensures a smooth and consistent mixture. This forms the base of your dish soap and provides that gentle yet effective cleaning action. Castile soap is known for its ability to clean without being harsh on your hands. Thicken it up by adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin and continue whisking. This ingredient is key to achieving the right consistency. This magical ingredient adds thickness and helps create those satisfying suds. For extra grease-fighting power, whisk in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Vinegar is a natural degreaser and will enhance the cleaning power of your soap. Don't worry, the vinegar scent will dissipate as it dries. Your dishes won't smell like vinegar, we promise. Now for the fun part. Adding essential oils not only boosts the cleaning power, but also leaves a pleasant scent. Add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oils, like lemon, lavender, or tea tree. These oils have natural antibacterial properties and smell amazing. Use your funnel to carefully pour the mixture into a clean container. A repurposed glass bottle or a squeeze bottle works perfectly. Make sure it's clean and dry before you pour in your homemade soap, and don't forget to label your creation. This step is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. This will help you remember what's in it and prevent any accidental mix-ups. Plus, it adds a personal touch to your homemade product. Enjoy your eco-friendly, effective, and delightful DIY dish soap. The alchemy of clean, witnessing the transformation. Congratulations. You've just witnessed the alchemy of clean. Those humble ingredients have transformed into a powerful, eco-friendly dishwashing solution. As you admire your handiwork, take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of nature's ingredients. The Castile soap, with its gentle yet effective cleaning power. The washing soda and borax, working together to tackle even the toughest grease and grime. And the optional essential oils adding a touch of natural fragrance and antibacterial properties. You've created something truly special. A dish soap that's good for you, your family, and the planet. Sparkling dishes. Clear conscience benefits of your homemade concoction. Now that you've joined the ranks of DIY dish soap aficionados, it's time to revel in the benefits of your creation. Making your own dish soap is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that brings numerous advantages. Not only will your dishes sparkle like never before, but you'll also enjoy the satisfaction of knowing you're making a positive impact on your health and the environment. Each wash is a step towards a greener planet and a healthier home. Here's a quick recap of why your homemade dish soap is superior to its store-bought counterparts. Gentle on your skin. Commercial dish soaps often contain harsh chemicals that can strip your skin of its natural oils. Say goodbye to dry, irritated hands. Your homemade concoction ensures your hands stay soft and moisturized, even after multiple washes. Castile soap is incredibly gentle, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin, free of harsh chemicals. You can wash your dishes without worrying about harmful residues. No more worrying about exposing your family to potentially harmful chemicals like phosphates, sulfates, and phthalates. Environmentally friendly. Your homemade dish soap is a small but significant step towards reducing pollution. By ditching the plastic packaging and harsh ingredients of commercial dish soaps, you're reducing your environmental footprint. Every refillable bottle you use is one less piece of plastic waste. Making your own dish soap is surprisingly affordable, especially if you buy ingredients in bulk. Over time, the savings add up, making it a cost-effective choice for any household. So, embrace the benefits and enjoy the process of creating your own eco-friendly dish soap.